James back with 360 and back. And in today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over how to download and use an offline iGuide. If you're familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you want to type in how to download and use an offline iGuide. If you are not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, I made a video previously on it. I would highly recommend to go and check it out. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your iGuide account. Once you've done this, you're going to go to the iGuide report, which is right here. So you just select that. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see downloads. And then under downloads, the third option is going to be offline iGuide download. So you're going to right click to copy the link. We're just going to, what I do is just left click. When I do that, it's going to bring it up in your download bar at the very bottom as a zip file. So you're going to wait that to download. It has, so we're just going to click on it to open it. Here we go. We got the file, and on your Windows, I'm just going to click on extract all. It's going to tell you where to download this at or where you want this to download. We're just going to pick browse. I'm going to keep it right here. So I'm going to select folder. I'm going to go ahead and hit extract. Now this is going to uncompress this file. Now this file contains all the information about your iGuide. So that includes your pictures, that includes just the raw images of your photospheres. So it contains everything. So once you have that, go ahead and open it up to where you saved it to. And I saved it here, but I'll go ahead and just go ahead and open this file. And we got several different folders that are all here. Just for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you how to access your iGuide without internet. And you're just going to double click on this index button. And now we have Tor without the internet. If we want to go ahead and further check this, I'll go ahead and turn off my internet. Okay. My internet is off. I'm going to go ahead and close this to prove that it's off. No internet. Got the little dinosaur game. Internet's not working. So what we'll do is go ahead and open up our file again. There it is, index. And open that. And there we go. So now we have the full version. Even had the photos right here. There's no details right there. And then the map. So you got a fully working version of your iGuide offline. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me an email and hope this answers all your questions. Thank you.